Hey, what's up? Today we have a little different device for our channel, because it is not a headphone, smartphone, smartwatch or other. However, I think it will be interesting to many of you. Moreover, I think this device is must-have for everyone. This is a hands-free smart faucet for kitchen. The name of this product is Harda iClean. I don't know the price, because it is not officially released yet. I will leave the links to official website and Indiegogo platform in description under the video. So let's do unboxing, look at design and install the faucet on my kitchen. The smart faucet comes in a simple cardboard box. There is no company logo or any other description of product on the box. I think that I have a pre-sale version, but when the smart faucet will go on sale, it will have a nice box with the image of product and other information about it. Opening the box, I found the installation and operation manual. You know, nobody reads the user manual for smartphone or wireless earbuds. However, this user manual is very important, and you need to read it to know how to install the faucet. There's also everything you need to install the smart faucet, such as faucet itself, hose weight locator, cold and hot water house, control box, AC adapter, deck plate and mounting nuts. By the way, you can see that control box has network button. Yes, you can connect Harda iClean faucet and control via mobile device. I will show you this later. Now let's talk about design. The new smart faucet has a spot-resistant stainless finish. The faucet doesn't leave the fingerprints and water spots. I have a faucet in metallic color, but it will also be available in silver and black. The size of faucet is 480 by 250 mm. The weight is about 1600 grams. On the front we can see temperature LED light and motion sensor. If you don't want to use motion sensor, there is a handle on the right side. The next feature of Harda iClean faucet is retractable spray head. The head is also 260 degrees rotatable, so you can conveniently wash the sink or dishes. I think that's all about design. Now let's try to install the faucet. The manufacturer says they are using an exclusive patented installation method with a mounting nut and hose connection system. The company claims that it saves 70% of installation time. Let's check it out. As I already said, the user manual has step-by-step tutorial how to install Harda iClean faucet. Please read it before doing something. The installation process took about 5 minutes for me. Talking about main features of Harda iClean faucet. The main one for me is motion sensor. It is not only convenient, but also safe. You don't need to touch the handle, which prevents from germs and virus. The faucet has pull-down head and magnetic docking. As I already said, the head itself is 260 degrees rotatable. Also, there are two sprays available, stream and sweep. You can choose the right one for you. On the front, there is temperature display, which shows the current temperature of water. If the light is blue, then the temperature is less than 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The green light means the temperature of water is from 85 to 105 degrees Fahrenheit. The red light is from 105 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. And if the flashing red light, then the temperature of water is more than 150 degrees Fahrenheit. You should be careful. As I already said, Harda iClean faucet has Wi-Fi support, so you can download the app on smartphone and control the device. In the app you can water on/off and see the temperature of water. By the way, I forgot to tell you that Harda iClean faucet has built-in TDS detector, which analyzes the water quality. You can see the water quality in the app. That's all functions of the app. Harda iClean faucet is very useful and must-have device for every kitchen. It has many features, such as motion sensor, pull-down head, temperature display, TDS detector to analyze the water quality, the application to control the faucet with smartphone, and the last but not the least, a quick and easy installation. I really like this faucet and I will definitely use it. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.